The Crude report, I wouldn't want to get in sync with one prior to the report anyway. There's a long on the 377 prior. That one just 10 ticks to target 2. Again, I wouldn't want to get in sync with. We prefer a trade after the initial reaction. And there is the report coming out. Not much reaction. Now we're getting some upward move. I got a little bit of a downward punch initially, down right almost to the 200 EMA. New long trade. That's a reaction trade. I'd want to see something else there. Now we have a get in sync short. 40 seconds in on Spotlight, and that's definitely still a get in sync. We're just a minute in. Coming within 1 tick of the stop, and I would move that down to 48. I'll take that as moving the range a tick upward. 75.39 to. There's a long trade. Another 20 seconds to our start time. And we did that takes us out of the short trade possibility. And we're in our session, so I'll put a Yep, that went away from us, didn't ever come back to the entry. So we'll look for the next trade there. Unleaded, picking up, picking up the long trade, but not quite getting money management. Back to the entry. All right, get in sync long right there. And there's our 10 ticks missing out. Still in this long. On the 377. Stop for that one is back here at 56. And there is a stop and reverse short at 57. That canceled. So we're back to our original get in sync trade. Stop and reverse on unleaded. 443. Still long from our original get in sync trade. On the 377. Stop down here. Yeah, stop down at 56. And there's a full stop out on the 377. Approaching money management on unleaded. 412 didn't get there. Please do say hello in the chat. Not much of a reaction to the report this morning. Not much here to trade. No trades on Spotlight yet. We took a full loss and now we have a long on the 377. That's a sizable trade. And taking heat on unleaded. Crude getting up to 377 it looks like. And pushing through 75 levels. We'll see where that goes. Stop and reverse at 764. On the 377. Unleaded did take the full stop out. A small stop and reverse and a full stop out. .377 tick is long with a, and the stop and reverse canceled, so there's our original entry. Unleaded to session highs, setting a new session high there. Yep, very slow, not just minimal reaction to the report itself this morning. Definitely in the summer doldrums. Unleaded's pushing up to more session highs. Crude pulling back a bit now. Back to the 20 SMA. And, oh, pulling through that. Back down to our original entry. On the 377. Now on the range bar, we haven't moved a bunch. Zebra stripes on the range bar. .377 tick testing the 50 EMA. Getting back up to 83 again, or yeah, 83 again on the 377. And got, yeah, 83 on the Spotlight chart as well. No trades on Spotlight. And there's money management and target. Let's see where our target is. Target is 90, was 93, and we did get there. So trailing at 89 on the 377. No trades on Spotlight. Long potential longs just triggering in on unleaded. This is a third trade for unleaded. So I would make this the last one for the crude session. Good morning to you, Claude. Yeah, definitely slow this morning. And stopping out on the 377 for a one and done session in the midst of all that junk. 13 tick target 2. Oh no, I'm sorry, I was looking at something that's looking at something else. No, we stopped out at 75.92. So 1 tick shy of target 2. 20 tick target 2, 19 tick trailer, 39 ticks on the morning. Unleaded in trade number 3. Crude approaching $76. You're most welcome, Pamela. 15 minutes and no trades on Spotlight. Definitely an indication of how slow the price action is. And a stop and reverse on unleaded, so that I would just take that as an exit at 59, and it did. Stop and reverse, full loss, stop and reverse. Time to step aside. And still no trades on Spotlight. And we can continue to watch it for a little while. The 77 tick chart not even showing up any trades now. And it throws one as I speak. But it is POQ, one and done. Watching paint dry here. Long trade on 377 canceled. Alright, 2 of the 3 charts are finished. Our primary chart hasn't had any trades. And doesn't look to be setting up anytime soon. Well, I say that. We actually couldn't get a short trade if we closed below the balance line right here. $91. Entry would be at 79. And there it is. Target 1, and I didn't even get my handles moved around. So there is target 1. Move that one to break even. And then and target 2. So that quick we get a 1 and done. 13 and 22, 35. So that quickly spotlight is done. 35 tick win. And that is a wrap, folks. All 3 charts. So I will see unless there are questions. I see we're down to just 3. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Regular 9:30 session. And then on to next week. Have a good one. We will see you next week. See you tomorrow, Miles. Hello, Mark. You're just getting in here, and I'm just getting ready to close it down. Our last chart just finished off. So I was just getting ready to shut it down. So no problem. I'm going to be here. You just have to do what you're able to do. But I will be back in here at 8:30 tomorrow, or 8:30. Yeah. No, not likely. At 9:30 tomorrow morning. So we will see everybody at 9:30 tomorrow. Have a good one.